guys? Today I'm starting a new series on my channel. It's called Does It Work? And today we got a drill that's 40 bucks on Amazon. It's from Avid Power. This is what it looks like. It's an impact drill, and here we go. So wanted to test it with a couple of things and see if it works. Yep. Well, it does pretty good. It doesn't have a switch to do one of these. This is like a little bit harder to drill sometimes, so I haven't pre-drilled anything. I'm just sticking it in. Actually pretty impressive. This is the stuff it came with. It came with this set right here. The charger is kind of cheap, but what'd you expect for 40 bucks? And that's it. And it handled pretty good. Impressive. Oh, it's pretty hot. Let's do this one. Let's do this. I'm surprised how fast it does the screws. I'm actually impressed by this thing. This goes way deep in there. Just put a drill bit on there. Wow. It does it. It works. Now we're gonna do this thing. It's like a big old long screw. Pressed. It did the work. The only thing is the bit I'm using it didn't come with, so it's not magnetic, so it just falls out. But for 40 bucks, I'm impressed. Yep, so it does work. And stay tuned on the channel. I'm gonna do more reviews like this. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. I'll buy it and review it and let you guys know if it works. So I'll catch you in the next one. Later.